In this video, we're going to make a kaleidoscope for my son. This is an egg kaleidoscope kit that I got from Woodcraft. We're going to start by drilling our hole all the way through. Now, I wanted mine to look like a telescope so Ryan could feel like he's a pirate or something when he gets a little bit older looking out through it. So I actually drilled a hole a little bit bigger on one side. This makes it so the bushing fits inside the blanket itself. So now we're going to turn it down to our shape. As you can see, like in the last video, I'm turning my turning tool in a little bit as I close in on that edge just so that I can get in a little bit tighter and get a little bit of a cleaner cut. Now we're going to sand it down a little bit, and I want to add something a little bit special to this one. So I actually want to use wire burners and burn in a little ring around the edge of this one. To do that, I'm going to get a marking tool out, and I'm going to mark a circle for the wire to fit into right around the edge. That way the wire doesn't move around or wiggle or anything. And then we're going to put wires in and apply tension, going up in gauge to create a wider and wider ring. You'll see here. And now we're back to sanding down to 600 grit. And now we're going to apply our CA finish. I'm going to swap out the brushing for a silicone ring brushing, just so the CA glue doesn't stick to it or mess with the brushing at all. Now we're going to sand it with 600 grit and then polish it up with the micro mesh pads. Now we just need to put everything together. There are little pieces of plastic over the lens, the mirrors, and both the little pieces of plastic. So you'll need to take all those off. You're going to tape up the mirrors, leaving the line that's going down the middle on the outside. You're going to tape two pieces together, put it in the tube, and then take another piece of tape and put it over that third piece, holding it together. Once you get the mirrors in place, you need to put the lens and the eyepiece. There's a little retaining pin that you need to move around. I tried to assemble this beforehand and then take it apart for the video, so I already had that in. Now we're going to grab one of the clear plastic pieces and insert it into the end cap and then the little black spacer. And then we're going to add our little colorful pieces of plastic in and the second clear piece of plastic. I like to screw this into the tube so that it holds all that in place. Then put it in the blank and screw on the eyepiece. Here it is, guys. You can see there's a little bit of a gap in the eyepiece. That makes it so that we can spin it around while he's holding it, so the shapes and everything will move and change. He definitely loves this thing. He's carrying it around. He can't quite figure out how to hold it and look through it. If you guys like this video, leave us a comment. Let us know what you think. And thanks for watching.